if financial freedom is just an unattainable dream? What if I told you that you can rewrite your financial story starting today? In this video, I'm going to guide you through a proven, step-by-step process to achieve financial freedom. You'll discover how to stop stressing about money and start living the life you've always envisioned. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a strategy anyone can follow, regardless of your income. Exact steps to invest and create passive income for a secure, stress-free future. Imagine a life where emergencies don't send you into panic mode. You're free of debt, saving confidently for your goals, and investing for a bright future. You can take time off, travel, or spend meaningful moments with your loved ones without money concerns. This video is your step-by-step roadmap to financial freedom, no matter where you're starting. Whether your dream is to retire early, explore the world, or live without financial stress, these strategies will empower you to take control of your future. You don't need to be a financial expert or a millionaire to start. I'll show you simple, actionable steps that anyone can take to build a secure future. Stick with me to the end, because this could be the turning point in your life. What exactly is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, and income to support your lifestyle without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. It's about not worrying about how to pay bills. Freedom means having the choice to spend more time with your family, pursue your passions, travel the world, live with peace of mind and control over your life. It's not about being excessively wealthy. It's about having 1. Freedom from crushing debts that hold you back. 2. Savings to protect you from life's uncertainties. 3. Investments or income streams to cover your expenses, whether you're working or not. For many, this may seem impossible, but financial freedom is built step by step, and you can achieve it no matter where you are today. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to achieve financial independence, regardless of your income or age. Here's what we'll cover, and effectively. Why building an emergency fund is essential and how to start. Simple steps to begin investing, even as a beginner. Practical ways to create passive income streams for lasting financial freedom. This is about creating a better future for yourself and your family, one step at a time. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation. Before planning for financial freedom, it's crucial to understand where you stand today. This step may feel uncomfortable, but it's the foundation for building a secure future. Here's how to get started. 1. Write down your income. Include all sources: salary after taxes, income from side gigs or freelancing, additional income like rental earnings or child support. 2. Track your expenses. Note every expense, big or small, rent or mortgage, utilities and groceries, subscriptions and dining out. Use tools like Mint. You need a budget or a simple spreadsheet to make this process easier. 3. List your debts. Car loans or personal loans. Add the interest rates and balances next to each one. Calculate your net worth. Use this simple formula. Net worth shows what you own, assets, what you owe, liabilities. This financial snapshot may surprise you, but don't feel discouraged. It's your starting point. From here, you can identify problem areas and opportunities for growth. Step 2. Eliminate debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. However, with the right strategies, you can tackle it head-on and break free. 2 popular methods for paying off debt are the snowball method. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Pay the minimum on all debts, but put extra money toward the smallest one. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll that payment into the next debt. Why avalanche method? List debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest first. Why it works? This approach saves you the most money in the long run. Action step. Choose a method, snowball or avalanche, and stick to it. Every extra dollar counts. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It shields you from unexpected disasters, like job loss or medical bills. without resorting to debt. Goal: save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if needed. Set aside $500 and build from there. Practical tips: open a high-yield savings account and automate your savings. Cut unnecessary expenses and save your next bonus or tax refund. Every dollar saved brings you closer to peace of mind and financial security. Step 4. Start investing. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small, consistent contributions can create significant results over time. Simple steps to start. 1. Maximize your employer's 401k, especially if they offer a match. 2. Open an IRA or Roth IRA for tax advantages. 3. Invest in low-cost index funds that track the stock market. Example: investing $100 per month at an 8% return can grow into over $150,000 in 30 years. Step 5. Create passive income streams. Passive income is the key to long-term financial freedom. It's about earning money that doesn't require constant effort. Ideas to start: invest in dividend-paying stocks. Consider rental properties for steady income. Create digital products like ebooks or online courses. Start a side hustle and grow it into a passive income source. Your 7-day financial challenge. Day 1, write down all expenses. Day 2, list your debts. Day 3, create a budget. Day 4, save $10 for an emergency fund. Day 5, research 401k or IRA options. Day 6, brainstorm a side hustle idea. Day 7, commit to your first action step. Take action. Today, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but consistent small steps lead to big changes. Your roadmap to success: 1. Assess your finances. 2. Eliminate debt. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Start investing. 5. Create passive income. Take control of your money, and you'll take control of your life. You've got this. If you found this video inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's build a future full of possibilities together.